Hello students, today come back again to our English lesson. Today we will learn new topic. It is lesson 5 about traveling. Halo anak-anak, hari ini kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris lagi. Kita akan masuk pelajaran baru yaitu pelajaran 5 tentang traveling. What do we learn here? Let's see. Apa yang kita pelajari di sini? Mari kita lihat. Okay, everyone, you may open the textbook. It is on page 36. Kalian boleh buka buku paket halaman 36. Okay. I will go to Jakarta. You will go to Jakarta. He will go to Jakarta. We will go to Jakarta. They will go to Jakarta. Okay, this one by using will. The negative form. I will not go to Jakarta. You will not go to Jakarta. He will not go to Jakarta. We will not go to Jakarta. They will not go to Jakarta. Next. Now we see going. I am going to write a letter. The negative form. I am not going to write a letter. You are going to write a letter. You are not going to write a letter. She is going to write a letter. She is not going to write a letter. We are going to write a letter. We are not going to write a letter. They are going to write a letter. They are not going to write a letter. Okay. Will and going to has the same meaning. Will dan going to itu mempunyai arti yang sama, yaitu akan. Jadi sesuatu yang belum terjadi akan terjadi. But will and going have the difference. Ya, will dan going itu mempunyai ada perbedaannya. Okay, now we see part B first ya. Complete the sentences by using the phrases in the box. Now you can see the phrases. Is going to, will have lunch, is going to have, will hand out the exam, is going to cook, will shine again. Number 1. I blank in the cafeteria. What is the answer? Okay, number 1, the answer is I will have lunch in the cafeteria. Number 2. Safitri blank soup for breakfast. What is your answer? Yes. Safitri is going to cook soup for breakfast. Number 3. The sun blank tomorrow. What is the answer? Yes. The sun will shine again tomorrow. Number 4. She blank a baby. What is the answer? She is going to have a baby. Next, number 5. The teacher blank papers. The teachers will hand out the exam papers. The teacher will hand out the exam papers. Number 6. The rain blank 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 come again. What is your answer? Yes, the rain is going to come again. Okay, number 1. I will have lunch in the cafeteria. Saya akan makan siang di kafe itu. Number 2. Safitri is going to cook soup for breakfast. Safitri akan memasak sup untuk sarapan pagi. The sun will shine again. Matahari akan bersinar lagi. She is going to have a baby. Dia akan mempunyai seorang bayi. The teacher will hand out the exam. Guru akan membagikan ujian. the exam paper, kertas ujiannya, guru akan membagikan kertas ujian. The rain is going to come again. Hujan akan segera datang lagi. So from here, you know some of the sentences using going to. Some of the sentences using will. So what is the difference between will and be going to? Okay, now you can see page 37. Future will and going to versus going to ya. Jadi perbedaan antara will dan going to. Will is used when we decide to do something at the time of speaking spontaneously. Jadi will itu digunakan untuk memutuskan apa yang akan dilakukan pada saat kita berbicara, yaitu secara spontan ya, secara spontan. Jadi biasanya will ini adalah spontaneous decision. Jadi will ini adalah keputusan yang secara spontan or unplanned, tidak direncanakan. And the prediction based on feelings. Feelings, experience, intuition, or speaker's conviction. Jadi ini biasanya ya berdasarkan feeling, perasaan, ataupun pengalaman. And then intuition is maksud tujuannya apa. Or speaker's conviction, yaitu keyakinan dari pembicara tersebut. You can see the example. That car just had a flat tire, so I will take the bus. Take the bus. Mobil ayah saya bannya baru saja kempes. Jadi secara spontan ya. So, I will take the bus. Jadi saya akan pergi dengan bus. It is raining hard. I will wear my raincoat. Jadi sekarang ini sedang turun hujan dengan deras. Jadi saya akan memakai jas hujan saya. Okay. Now you can see the positive form. Kalian boleh lihat kalimat positifnya. I will travel around Asia. He will read a book. She will cook a dinner. You will play a game. We will eat breakfast. They will travel around Asia. Okay. If negative, you just add not ya. Kalian cukup menambahkan not saja. I will not travel around Asia. He will not read a book. She will not cook dinner. So for interrogative, untuk pertanyaan, itu kalian cukup mengubah will pindah ke depan, and then subjeknya baru verb. By the way students, this one will and be going to, we have to use verb one ya. Jadi will dan going to ini kita harus menggunakan verb one, yaitu verb dasar, verb stem ya. Okay. Okay, now we go to going to. Going to is used when we decide to do something before talking about it. Going to itu biasanya digunakan untuk memutuskan sesuatu sebelum kita berbicara tentang itu. Contohnya, for example ya, be going to itu biasanya intention planned, yang sudah direncanakan. And the prediction based on present evidence. Jadi yang kalimatnya itu biasanya berdasarkan fakta, bukti yang sekarang. So, you see the conversation below. Have you decided where to go? Apakah kamu sudah memutuskan kemana kamu pergi? Yes, I am going to go to Lombok this holiday. Ya, saya akan pergi ke Lombok liburan ini. Maksudnya kan sudah direncanakan, belum terjadi, memang sudah direncanakan. Why is Ronald selling his motorcycle? Mengapa Ronald menjual sepeda motornya? He is going to buy a car. Dia akan membeli sebuah mobil. So, now you can see the example. I menggunakan am. He, she, it biasanya kita menggunakan is. You, we, they kita gunakan are. Jadi, the sentence become I am going to go by bus. He is going to buy a new bag. She is going to drink the milk. You are going to play the game. We are going to have lunch. They are going to go by bus. Okay, negative sentence it is easy. You only need to plus not. Cukup tambahkan not saja. After the verb to be. Setelah verb to be-nya kita tambahkan not. I am not going to go by bus. He is not going to go by bus. Dan selanjutnya ya. And for interrogative sentence, we have to use is MA in front, plus subject, plus going to, plus verb 1. Okay, so the sentence become, am I going to go by bus? Is he going to buy a new bag? Are you going to drink the milk? Are they going to play the game? Seperti itu ya. As long as you know, I menggunakan am, he, she, it menggunakan is, you, we, they kita gunakan are. Okay, next, page 38. You see the example, are you going to travel this weekend? Yes, I am. We are going to Lombok this weekend. Number 2, will you read this book? No, I will not read this book. Number 3, is she going to watch the movie? No, she is not going to watch the movie. Number 4, will he help you clean the class? Yes, he will help me clean the class. Number 5, are you going to cook some time for dinner? Yes, we are going to cook sometime for dinner. The last one, will you come to the party? No, sorry. Will they come to the party? No, they will not come to the party. Okay, students, now we go to the exercise, yeah? Everyone, see page 38. Complete the sentences by using will or am, is, are, going to. Jadi kalian harus menjawab dengan will ataupun is, am, are, going to. Okay, number 1 you see. The boat is full of water. It is going to sink. Perahu itu penuh dengan air. Dan dia akan tenggelam. Jadi di sini kalian lihat kenapa kita gunakan be going to, is going to, karena dia itu planned, sudah direncanakan. Kalau sudah penuh dengan air, sudah pasti akan tenggelam. Okay, number 2. Why are you in such a hurry? Mengapa kamu terburu-buru? I blank go to the dentist. Saya titik-titik pergi ke dokter gigi. What is your answer? Yeah, the answer is I am going to go to the dentist. I am going to go to the dentist. Saya akan pergi ke dokter gigi. Kenapa kita gunakan going to? Karena dia sudah rencanakan. Ya. Number 3. My brothers blank build a tree house. Saudara laki-laki saya titik-titik membangun rumah pohon. What is the answer? Yes, this is also planned. Ya, planned. Jadi the answer become, my brothers are going to build a tree house. Next, number 4. The light went out, Jack. Okay, I blank light the candle. Lampu itu padam, Jack. Oke, saya titik-titik menghidupkan lilin. Ini kan spontan ya, tiba-tiba. So what is the answer? Will. Number 5. I blank not ride my bike to school. It is broken. What is the answer for number 5? Yes. This is also planned. Saya sudah tidak akan bersepeda ya ke sekolah karena ia rusak. So I am not ride my bike to school. It is broken. Number 6. Let's get on the train. It blank leave. Mari kita masuk ke dalam kereta api. Titik-titik akan berangkat. Okay, this is also planned. So it is going to leave. Number 7. The sky is very dark. Langit itu sudah gelap. It blank rain. Yes, the answer is it is going to rain. So this is the present evidence ya, bukti yang nyata ya. Kalau sudah gelap sudah pasti akan hujan. Number 8, blank blank blank. You come with us to Rudy's party? I don't know, perhaps. Number 8, what is the answer? Yes, will you come with us to Rudy's party? Will ya, jawabannya will. Kenapa kita pakai will? Because ya, it is spontaneous decision, yaitu keputusan secara spontan. Okay, next, number 9. I think blank blank blank. I think I blank wear a dress and a cardigan to the party. Okay, this one because of you have think, karena ada kata think, maka kita jawabannya adalah will. I think I will wear a dress and cardigan to the party. Next, the last one. Mom, blah blah blah, blank blank blank, bake some cakes today. Ibu titik-titik membuat kue hari ini. This one also planned. So we use mom is going to bake some cakes today. Okay, students, page 39, later you have to do this in your exercise book. Yang halaman 39 ini kalian kerjakan di buku latihan. The very first time you have to arrange the words into meaningful sentence. Kalian menyusun kata ini, kata-kata di bawah ini menjadi kalimat yang berarti, yang mempunyai arti ya. You see the example. Will on John the time meeting at arrive. Jadi ini kan sudah pasti kita gunakan will or be going to. Jadi kita selalu mulai dari subjek untuk positifnya. Jadi di sini subjeknya adalah John. Setelah itu kita gunakan will ataupun is MA going to. Karena di sini adalah will, maka kita gunakan will. Kalau nomor 3 itu going to, berarti tidak menggunakan will, kita gunakan going to. Number 1 also, tidak ada will, kita gunakan going to. So, John will arrive. Verb 1 ya, verb 1. On time at the meeting. Negatifnya, John will not arrive on time at the meeting. Okay, how about number 1? Bagaimana dengan nomor 1? Where is the subject? Yes, they. Setelah they kita gunakan is MR, are. They are going to camp. They are going to camp. The negative. Kalian ubah jadi negatif ya. Kalau negatif itu berarti ada kata not-nya. They are not going to camp. Okay. You do ya, number 1 until number 5. Kalian kerjakan 1 sampai 5 in your exercise book, di buku latihan. Okay, now this one we are learning about should and shouldn't. Kita akan belajar tentang should dan shouldn't. Give suggestion ya, kalian memberikan usul ya kepada seseorang dan kalian boleh menjawab dengan should atau shouldn't. Number 1, you should pack enough clothes. Number 2, you shouldn't pack too many clothes. Number 3, what is your answer? You should book a hotel room. Number 4, you should check the weather. Number 5, you should put your wallet in the bag. Jadi kamu harus menyimpan dompetmu ke dalam tas. Number 6, you shouldn't ya take all your money in your wallet. Kamu tidak seharusnya menaruh semua uangmu di dalam dompet. You should take some credit cards too. Kamu seharusnya membawa beberapa kartu kredit juga. Okay, so giving suggestion, memberikan usul. Should is a modal verbs. Should itu adalah kata kerja bantu. It can be used to give advice and suggestion. Dia bisa digunakan untuk memberi usul, pendapat ataupun nasihat ataupun usul. Okay, other expression to give suggestion. Ekspresi lain untuk memberikan usul yaitu I suggest. Why don't you? You could. Have you tried? Ini adalah contoh kalimat suggestion. Okay, now for part G, page 41. This one also you do in your exercise book. Yang halaman 41 juga ini kalian kerjakan di buku latihan. You see the picture, you directly write down number 1 like this. Only write down the words ya, the sentences. You don't need to draw the picture. Jadi kalian hanya lihat gambar, langsung tulis. Kira-kira jawabannya itu the expressionnya should atau shouldn't. Jadi kalian tidak perlu menggambar, hanya perlu tulis saja. You make the example like this. Buat contohnya seperti ini. Number 1, bring /umbrella. Jadi lihat gambarnya, ini sudah hujan kan? So, she should bring an umbrella. You continue ya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this is the second exercise for you. Ini adalah latihan yang kedua. Okay, students, you continue ya until number 5. And after this, later Miss will give you some note and you need to write down in your notebook. Setelah ini Miss akan kasih kalian catatan dan kalian harus tulis di buku catatan. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you understand well. Okay, do the exercise ya, and don't forget to take picture. Jadi kalian boleh tulis di latihan. Setelah itu jangan lupa foto and send to my WA number, dan jangan lupa kirim ke nomor WA Miss. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye everyone. See you.